Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned fowl. First, choose fresh, healthy fowl, like chicken or turkey, ensuring it's in excellent condition for canning. Next, clean and debone the meat, cutting it into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. This uniform size helps with even cooking and packing. Finally, sterilize your canning jars and lids properly to prevent contamination and ensure a safe seal. This crucial step sets the foundation for successful home canning. Now, let's move on to packing and processing. Tightly pack your raw fowl into hot, sterilized pint or quart jars, making sure to leave a 1-inch headspace at the top. You can add 1 teaspoon of salt per quart or 1/2 teaspoon per pint for flavor, but it's optional. The most critical step is processing the jars in a pressure canner. Follow USDA guidelines precisely for your specific altitude to ensure the meat is safely preserved and free from harmful bacteria. After processing, it's time for cooling and storage. Let your jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours on a towel-lined surface. This allows the seals to properly form. Once cooled, check each jar for a proper seal by pressing the center of the lid. It should not flex. Any unsealed jars must be refrigerated and consumed promptly. Store your properly sealed canned fowl in a cool, dark, dry place where it can last safely for up to 1 year. Finally, let's talk about enjoying your delicious canned fowl. It's incredibly versatile and perfect for quick meals like soups, stews, casseroles, or even simple sandwiches. Always reheat the meat thoroughly before serving to ensure the best taste and safety. This convenient protein source is a fantastic addition to your pantry. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.